This video will show you how you can upload your own non-geospatial data into Cadence. This is perfect if you have your dataset in Excel and want to see it geospatially on a map joined to geometry that already exists. In order to do this, I'm first going to click Files on the left-hand side, and I can click the What Can I Upload hyperlink to show me some additional information on how to format my data in Excel. In this example, we're going to be looking at the 2021 lower super output area boundaries from the census. This is involved in joinable data, and as you can see by the instructions, we require a CSV with a specific joining key in the first cell. Scrolling down the list, we've got lots of different joining keys that you can use, but I'm specifically looking for the lower super output area 2021 boundaries. This requires the LSOA 21CD joining key to be present in my Excel file. Looking at Excel, you can see that I've got this key in cell A1, along with all the LSOA codes those correspond to. Also, in column B, I've got my recorded dataset that I'm looking to show geospatially. I could have additional datasets in column B onwards, but for this example, I'm just showing one column of data. Once I'm happy with my Excel, I'm going to make sure I save it as a CSV file format, and then I'm going to drag and drop the file into the file upload area. Once the file is uploaded, I could download the file again to have a look in Excel by clicking the Download File option, and I can delete the file by clicking the check mark and clicking Delete Selected Files. However, for this example, I want to see this data, I'm not interested in deleting it, so I'm going to click back onto my map and I'm going to add the dataset as if I was adding an inbuilt data file. I'm going to click Add Overlay and then navigate to User Uploaded Toggle. Here I can see my CSV file, and here I've got my column header. Clicking that option loads my data in and joins it onto the LSOA boundary. As you can see, I'm able to style it and change opacity and options as if it was inbuilt into the data catalog. One little note about adding your own data is remember when you publish within Cadence, if you've uploaded your own file, it will be accessible to everyone that has that publishing link. So if you have uploaded sensitive data into Cadence, either get in contact with us to make sure that we can lock it away for you, or be careful to not publish your data and release any sensitive information you don't actually wish to be made public. Those are some very simple steps to uploading your own data into Cadence and to make data that's non-geospatial into a very lovely map.